Hello, everybody. My name is Brad Akers from FlipFinders. I am the CIO here, and today we're going to walk you through what to expect to see for the very first time that you would log into the FlipFinders portal. Now, when you log into the FlipFinders portal, you will be at the URL flipfindersportal.com/portal/partner. This is very important to make sure that you're always using that link when logging in. And now you're going to enter your username. You should have received an automated email that is going to tell you what your username and password is. Usually it's going to be your email address on file. So for this, it's going to be demo@youremail.com. The password will of course be that one provided to you in the email, and then you click login. Now when you log in for the very first time, you're going to see exactly this. You're going to see a stream. You are going to see your cases. The stream will populate with data as you input assignments. And what that means is you create an assignment for us to staff an event for you. This stream will kind of give you a live cycle of that assignment status. Now, that might get too convoluted. So what you're also going to see up here is an assignments tab. When you click here, you're going to see any of the assignments that you have created. Now, right now, of course, there is no data because we haven't created an assignment. In order to create that assignment, you will click Create Assignment here, and then you're going to input the data that is required in order to do that. Of course, when you look at these, you're going to see little asterisks. That means that these fields here, they are required and they are mandatory before you can hit the Save button. So if you try to hit Save, you're going to see Not Valid, and you're going to see options pop up. Account is required, time of assignment is required, state is required. Those are very important to make sure you input, or you will run into issues constantly. The account is very simple. Once you click on the select button, you're going to pick your account. Normally, you're only going to see one account. If you do have multiple accounts, you will see multiple accounts. So it's very important to only select the account that you wanted to create the assignment for. Once you create the assignment, you hit save, everything is good. You're going to end up seeing that assignment right here on the screen. We're not going to go through assignments right now. That'll be another tutorial video. I just want to give you a brief overview of what to expect. There's an IOP tab. This IOP tab you can disregard for right now. Cases. Now, cases are a way to create IT support tickets without having to send me an email. You just simply click Create IT. You put the name of what the ticket is called. You give it a priority, low, normal, high, or urgent. And then you can pick the type of case. So if it's just a question, an incident, a problem, if it's IT related, type that description out as detailed as you can. You can extend this to see more. You can attach a screenshot, whatever you feel is necessary to give us a good idea of what you guys need. So once you do that, you hit save. You'll see your cases here. I'll update it. I'll shoot you an email. You'll know when that case is updated. All right, now quotes. Quotes is also something very interesting where you can actually preview a quote or an invoice prior to us sending it to you. So once an assignment is complete, there will be a quote created by our account manager. We will then go in and we will review the quote, we will approve the quote, but prior to that, you guys can go in there and view those, make sure that everything looks good. So that way, we're not under or overcharging and everything is the way it's supposed to be. This knowledge base tab is somewhere where you can go to see our qualifications, our best practice, our emergency protocols, password change guide. So qualifications, for example, you click on that and you're going to see our operating procedures that we give to every single phlebotomist so that they know what our requirements and what our process is. And then you can also view those. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will have an option to be able to open that up. And then, of course, you can download that and send it to your partners. This is not proprietary, so by all means, you can share that away. The accounts tab, this is going to just show your account. If you click on your account, you're going to see just a few details. Usually we don't put too much in here. It's just kind of a placeholder so we know what account you belong to. The last thing we're going to talk about is up here at the right. So we do have a search menu. If you needed to type in an assignment ID, you can do that. You hit enter and it'll pop up the assignment here. The search bar is very intuitive. And you can search just about anything through there. This notification tab, this is going to be any notifications are going to pop up here. And then you also have this option where you can kind of look at your account. You can look at preferences, the last viewed items. So let's go to demo account real quick. This is very brief, but what I did want to show you is you can click on the three dots at the top, click change password, put your current password in. You can easily change your password here. That way you don't have to go in and open that email every single time you want to log into the portal. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, please make sure that you guys contact me at brad.akers@flebfinders.com, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. Stay healthy, and we will talk to you guys soon.